Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AIT protocol token. Ticker symbol is AIT. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange just yesterday, February 16th. Just be aware that there has been other tokens with the ticker symbol AIT. I do remember doing videos on at least one or two tokens with the same ticker symbol. It's just a very popular ticker symbol, AIT, so just be aware of that. But this token is just got a brand new central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token just got listed yesterday, February 16th at 9 o'clock UTC time, on a very big central exchange called COINEX Global. It says AIT protocol leverages the power of blockchain technology to create a decentralized labor market that transcends international boundaries. In this unique market ecosystem, participants are incentivized through the principles of crypto economics, ensuring not only the rapidity, I never even heard that word before, rapidity of cross-national payment settlements, but also the utmost trust and security. So if you're looking to get this token, it just got listed on COINEX Global. And if you don't have a COINEX Global account, I do have a COINEX Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that COINEX Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search AIT, and then simply just buy the token. Now this is a very popular project. If you go to their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there, it is at AIT Protocol. They have the gold verified checkmark, 445 tweets, 74,200 Twitter followers, and they have a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. If you click on that link tree, they have their Twitter, Telegram, Discord, announcement channel, documents, webpage. All the links are on there for you to check out. So this is a revolutionary approach to labeling and processing big data. The AIT protocol stands as a trailblazer in the domain of Web3 data infrastructure, placing a significant emphasis on the annotation of data and the training of AI models. This innovative project leverages the power of blockchain technology to create a decentralized labor market that transcends international boundaries. In this unique market ecosystem, participants are incentivized through the principles of crypto economics, ensuring not only the rapidity of cross-national payment settlements, but also the utmost trust and security. The AIT decentralized marketplace offers an exceptional and expansive opportunity for millions of crypto users to partake in train-to-earn tasks, a concept that simultaneously enables them to earn rewards while actively contributing to the progression of AI models and the development of cutting-edge solutions. This vision is fueled by the ever-growing demand for top-tier structured data within the sphere of AI application development. a market that had already exceeded an impressive valuation of $200 billion in 2022. For millions of data labelers, AIT serves as their inaugural entry point for the exciting realm of Web3 technology, making a significant step forward in embracing this transformative era of digital innovation and opportunity. At AIT, our mission is to usher in a revolutionary transformation in the way individuals engage and navigate with the intricate world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, all by harnessing the transformative potential of artificial intelligence. At the heart of our mission lies the core objective of expediting AI development, primarily achieved by significantly reducing the exorbitant costs associated with the data annotation production process. As a result, we seek to empower users through the innovative framework of our tokenomics system, encouraging active participation and contributing to the progress of AI. We are dedicated to offering a cutting-edge platform replete with advanced tools essential for proficiently performing data labeling tasks. Our guiding principles are firmly rooted in integrity, diligence, and accountability, and we remain steadfast in our commitment to delivering top-notch, inventive solutions tailored to the distinctive needs of our esteemed clientele. Through our vision, mission, and unwavering focus, we are resolute in our commitment to shaping a brighter and more accessible future for users worldwide. Our aspiration is to establish a world where AI-driven platforms are effortlessly accessible, user-friendly, and equipped to furnish precise and reliable information, assistance, and tools within the ever-evolving domains of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. So they have a chat bot, an AI moderation bot. They have information about their problems and solutions. A lot of their features are on here. Their custom AI solutions, a data set as a service, discovering the Web3 data annotations. They have staking. There's token distribution on here. So this is the governance token. There is a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens here. And it's split up between angel, strategic, public sale, team advisors, train and earn, ecosystem, marketing and partnerships, and liquidity. And yeah, so then they have NFTs as well on here. They have some audits you can check out. So this is an Ethereum token. You can also check out their Etherscan. So like I said, it's a very well-established project. A lot of people have previously got this token off of UNISWAP and maybe some other places as well. There is a max total 1 billion tokens I mentioned, but they have almost 8,000 holders according to their Etherscan, and there's 18 decimal places on this token. But go check it out. It just got listed on COINEX Global yesterday, and I do have a COINEX Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.